Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. If you use focus modes on your iPhone but feel like they are not powerful enough, you are missing on one hidden feature, focus filters. Focus filters don't just silence notifications, they actually change what you see inside apps like Mail, Calendar, Messages, and Safari. In this guide, I will show you exactly how to set up and use focus filters on your iPhone. Let's get started. Focus filters allow you to filter content inside apps when a focus mode is active. For example, you can show only your work email in the Mail app, display only your work calendar in Calendar, open a specific Safari tab group in Safari browser, filter messages by conversation in the Messages app. So instead of just blocking notifications, your iPhone actually becomes context aware. You can set up focus filters in the Settings app. For this, open the Settings app, tap on Focus, choose a focus mode like Work, Personal, or create a new one by tapping on the plus button. For this example, I will choose Work. Once you are inside your selected focus, scroll down, find the section called Focus Filters, and tap on Add Filter. You will now see supported apps and system filters. Let's say you only want to see your work email during work focus. For this, tap on Mail, select the email account you want visible, and tap on Add. Now, when work focus is active, only that email account will appear in the Mail app. Your personal email inbox will be hidden until you turn focus off. You can do the same for Calendar, Messages, Music, Phone, and Safari browser. You can also customize system settings when this focus mode is turned on. For example, you can turn on always on display, dark mode, low power mode, and silent mode. After you have set up your filters, you can start using them by activating your focus mode. For this, open the control center, tap on focus, and turn on your selected focus mode. Once activated, only selected mail accounts appear, only chosen calendars show, and only selected Safari tabs are visible. Turn focus mode off and everything returns to normal automatically. That's how you set up and use focus filters on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and hidden features. And I will see you in our next video. Thanks for watching.